Hey guys, I'm gonna be singing "Be Alright" by Justin Bieber. Hope you guys like it. Here we go. Across the ocean, across the sea, starting to forget the way you look at me now. Over the mountains, across the sky, need to see your face and need to love you more. Through the storm and through the clouds, bumps in the road and upside down. I know it's hard, babe. Sleep at night, don't you worry, 'cause everything's gonna be alright. Be alright. Ay, ay, ay. Through the sorrow and the fights, don't you worry, 'cause everything's gonna be alright. Ay, ay, ay. Be alright. Ay, ay, ay. All alone in my room, waiting for your phone call to come soon. And for you all, I'll walk 1,000 miles, be in your arms, holding my heart. I love you, and everything's gonna be alright. I, be alright. I, for a long night and a bright light, don't you worry, 'cause everything's gonna be alright. I, be alright. I, you know that I care for you, I'll always be there for you. I promise I will stay right here. I know that you want me to, baby, we can make it through anything. 'Cause everything's gotta be alright. Yeah. Be alright. Yeah. And the sorrow and the fights, don't you worry, 'cause everything's gonna be alright. Yeah. Be alright. Yeah. The sorrow and the fights, don't you worry, 'cause everything's gonna be alright. There you guys go. If you guys like it, favorite, comment, subscribe, whatever.